stand up. Vivek. Can you read the spelling of bicycle?
Bicycle.
Bicycle. Okay, one only. So how many of you come by scooter?
Scooter.
Okay. Can you tell me how many of you come by motorcycle? 1, 2, 3 and 4. You also? You come by? Then you sit down. You come by motorcycle. Read the spelling of motorcycle. Okay. You, Raman? So can you tell me who come by car? Stand up. Okay, two of you come by car to school. Okay, read the spelling of car.
Car.
You come every day by car. Okay, and now on pickup party? You also come by car to school every day. Sometime. Okay, can you read the spelling of car? Okay, so this all the bus by bus you have told me. So this all the picture. What is this? ये क्या है? This all the picture you have seen. This is the vehicle. This is the transport system from where you come, by where you come to school. This is the transport system. ये क्या है?
Transport system.
Here we have learned the name of transport system. किसका नाम पढ़ा था हम लोग ने?
Transport system.
By from where you go or you come. You come by, some of you come by bus, some of you come by motorcycle, some of you come by scooter, some of you come by car. Okay? Any of you come by auto rickshaw? Auto rickshaw से आते कोई? कोई आते? School? No of you. By train? No. But these all are the transport system, okay? These all are the vehicles and transport system. Anyone come by truck? No. No one come. Anyone come by plane?
No man.
I think Ritik. You come by plane? No. Okay, sit down. And anyone come by rocket?
No man.
Okay, can you read the spelling of rocket?